All right, let me try to walk you through this. All right, this is assignment number 12 for statistics. Assignment number 12. All right, go ahead and put your name on where it says name. You can put the date where it says date. All right, and here's what we have. We have a table. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to graph elevation and mean number of partly cloudy days. So this first step here is to click on this highlighter tool. There's a nice little toolbar up here at the top. You want to click on that highlighter tool and just do yourself a favor and maybe highlight. It looks like I'm highlighting in blue. Ugh. I don't think I want to highlight in blue. Well, you can always erase. Let me try to erase this. I don't like all that. I'm going to try yellow. You can choose whatever color you want. I'm just playing with this tool here. I wish it would have something where I could just highlight it all in one fell swoop, but I guess it's going to be difficult. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the cursor where I think I want to highlight, holding down my left trackpad button. I don't have a mouse right now, and just dragging over and letting go, right? So I'm clicking with the left mouse button or trackpad button, dragging over here with a second finger, and just dragging that over. Okay, so this will help us remind us what we're going to be graphing, all right? Here is the graph we're going to graph. on. We're going to do a scatter plot. I recommend maybe pressing this zoom in button maybe once, twice, 3 times, making that bigger for yourself so you can really see what's going on. All right, there we go. Now I can see what's going on. I'm going to have to go up and down, but that's all right because it helps me see this graph. I want to plot this first data point here for Albany, New York. All right, I want to plot an x-axis at 275 and a w on the y-axis for 111. All right, so I'm looking over here, 275. I'm going to use this little circle tool or ellipse tool or oval tool. I'm going to click on that. That'll click me on over to the ellipse tool. And I already forgot the numbers. That's all right. I'll go back up and look. 275, 111. All right, so 275 on the x-axis. Well, here's 1,000. That makes this 500. That makes this 250. So 275 should be just shy of this line right here. And now I want 111. So I should have a little dot somewhere here. It looks like I would like to fill this. Oh, if I want to fill my dot in, I have to actually select fill. I'm going to choose a red. Yeah, I'm going to choose red and red. All right, so I'm going to go to the eraser. I'm going to erase that little circle that I drew. I'm going to draw this again. I'm clicking on the ellipse tool. Remember, I wanted 200 and what was it, 275? I forget already. 275 and 111. Okay, there we go. So right there is 250, 111. So somewhere here, there's my first dot. I've just plotted Albany. All right. My next dot here, Albuquerque. 5,311 is going to be the x-axis, and 111, same for the y-axis. So 5,311. There's 5,000. There's 5,250. All right. 5,311 be just past that, and I want the same 111. So something like this. All right. And I'm just going to keep doing that, right? I got Albuquerque done. Anchorage, 114, 60. X is 114, the Y is 60. So there's be 250, 114 would be somewhere in there, and then 60 would be down somewhere there. Did I get that right? Good. Boise, Idaho, 2,838, 90. 2,838, 2,000. Did I say 838? 838, yep. There's 2,000. There's 2,500. There's 2,750. So somewhere in there, and I already forgot what the other number was. 90. 2,090. So something like that. All right. Get it as close as you can. Boston, Massachusetts. Remember, this is a video. You can stop me at any time, right? You can pause me. You can make me go slower. 15. Where the x is 15 and the y is 103. All right, where the x is 15, wow, way over here, and this is 103. So I need a dot like somewhere like there. That's mine. What's next? Helena, Montana. 3,828. That's the x value, and the y value is 104. 3,828. So somewhere here, and 84. Somewhere like that. All right, I got to get going to my next class, But you're going to plot all these dots, all right? You keep plotting these dots just like we've done. And when you get to the end, you're going to use this line tool to draw a line of best fit through this data, all right? So you'll just draw a line of best fit like so. Now you have a line of best fit through your scatter plot. The whole idea here is that you can plot points, create a scatter plot, and then kind of eyeball a line of best fit. Eventually we'll run regressions on these, and we'll show you exactly the equation for these lines. But right now we're just eyeballing these lines of best fit. All right, that's how we got to do that. And is there a relationship between elevation and the mean number of partly cloudy days per year? Yes, it's probably slightly positive, right? We have a slightly positive correlation going on here because the line is going up. As I read from left to right, it's getting higher. I have a positive correlation. All right, I'm going to leave it here. I got to get to class. Talk to you later.